Okay, the function of f and g are defined as follow, where a and b are constants. Okay, given that f of 7 is 5 out of 2 and gf of 5 is 4, find the values of a and b. Okay, to find the value of a and b, we just have to substitute the given data. The first one that I will substitute would be f of 7. So f of 7, that is equals to 1 plus 2a over 7 minus a. And we know the value of f of 7 is 5 out of 2. Now that is equals to 1 plus 2a over 7 minus a. Okay, now I move the 1 to the left hand side, so I will get 3 out of 2, which is equals to 2a over 7 minus a. And I cross multiple, this will get me 21 minus 3a, that is equals to 4a. And 7a equals to 21, hence I get the a equals to 3. So I got the first value. Okay, now for the second value, they give us a gf of 5. Yeah, gf of 5 equals to 4. So gf of 5, that is equals to 4. Okay, so first for this, I will try to find the f of 5 first. Using the previous value, a equals to 3. So that is 1 plus 6 over 5 minus 3. Okay, so we get 1 plus 6 divided by 2 would be 3. So the f of 5 would be 4. Now I will input this value to the g. So g4, that is equals to 4b minus 2. Now the g4 just now we have is 4. Okay, that is equals to 4b minus 2. So 4b equals to 6 and b equals to 3 out of 2. Okay, so this is the second value, b. Okay, yeah, that is for part A. For part B, for the rest of this question, you should use the value of a which you found in part A. Find the domain of inverse f. Okay, the domain of inverse f would be the range of the main function, or the f of x. Okay, and to find the range of f of x, we need to have the domain. Okay, so let's check. From the question, they give you that, oh, okay, the domain is x greater than a. Just now we have the a equals to 3, so the domain for that would be x greater than 3. Now, back to the function, the f of x. We have f of x, let me rewrite that, would be (1 plus 6 over x negative 3). Okay, so we can see from here if this part is x greater than 3. Okay, x greater than 3. So there is no limit. There is no upper limit to the other input x. Okay, meaning that it might go to infinity. Okay, now if we look at this fraction, as we know with all the fraction, that if the denominator getting bigger, then this value will be smaller. So 6 over x negative 3 would be smaller as the x negative 3 getting larger. Okay, so eventually it will approach 0 because we don't have the limit. Yeah, we don't have the upper limit to this fraction. So eventually 6 over x negative 3 would approach 0. So if 1 plus 0, yeah, it will approach 0. It will not touch 0, but it will approach 0. So we can assume that the biggest value of this would be, the smallest value, the smallest value would be 1. Okay, so we can write that the range of f of x is greater than 1, or the domain of inverse fx would be greater than 1. Okay, next find the expression of f inverse. Yeah, so the f of x would be 1 plus 6 over x negative 3. Okay, so let's just flip the y and x. Okay, first of all, okay, let's put the 1 to the other side first. So this will become y minus 1 equals to 6 over x negative 3. Then from there we just have to replace x and y. So this will become x negative 1 equals to 6 over y negative 3. Okay, now we have y negative 3 over 6 over x negative 1. Final answer would be y equals to 6 over x negative 1 plus 3. That is the answer for part C.